1 in 4 seniors falls every year. It's a startling statistic, but the good news is that most falls are completely preventable. With just a few simple changes to your home environment, you can significantly reduce the risk and stay safe. Falls are the leading cause of injury for adults over 65. But you don't need a major renovation to make a difference. Most hazards can be fixed in a single afternoon. Today, we're walking through the home to identify 5 quick fixes for you. Fix number 1. Address those loose throw rugs. While they look nice, they are one of the most common tripping hazards in any home. Either remove them entirely or secure them firmly using non-slip grip tape or specialized backing to keep them from sliding. Fix number 2. Improve your lighting. Poor visibility is a major factor in nighttime falls, especially when moving between rooms. Install brighter bulbs and use motion-activated night lights in hallways. They provide a clear, safe path without needing to fumble for a switch. Fix number 3. Install grab bars. The bathroom is one of the most dangerous areas due to slippery surfaces and low seating. Mount sturdy bars near the toilet and inside the shower. Unlike towel racks, these are designed to support your full body weight safely. Fix number 4. Clear your walkways. Make sure there's a wide, open path through every room, free from cords and clutter. Aim for at least 3 feet of clearance. Removing small items from the floor can prevent a trip before it even happens. And fix number 5. Wear proper footwear. Slippery socks or loose, worn-out slippers can easily lead to a loss of balance indoors. Swap them for supportive shoes with good rubber grips. It's a simple lifestyle change that provides immediate stability and peace of mind. Small changes lead to big protection. By taking these steps today, you're investing in your long-term independence and safety at home. Save this video for reference, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe for more practical tips on healthy, safe living.